Okay, we're going to do something a little different today. This is our first ever raw video upload. Hope you like it. I'm going to show you how to connect today's video game consoles. These instructions can apply to a PlayStation, an Xbox, and even a Nintendo Switch. In this example, we'll talk about the Xbox One S. However, most consoles these days connect the same way. So the first thing we'll need is an HDMI cable. This is the most commonly used cable to connect components like video game consoles, DVD players, and cable boxes to televisions. Notice the connector only goes one way. It is not reversible. This is the power cable. This is actually reversible. What I mean by that is it doesn't have to go in a certain way. Both sides are the same, so that makes it nice and easy. Now, I don't know if the other consoles have a cord like that, but for the Xbox, this is what it looks like. Now let's take a look at the back of the console. Try not to be overwhelmed by the number of ports available to you. I only own an Xbox, so I can't speak for others, but I will say Xbox makes it very easy. Notice the port we need actually states it is HDMI out to the TV, straight to the point. The power connector is unique and stands on its own over here. It's not labeled, but this one shouldn't be hard to find. Other consoles may not be as straightforward. Next, we're going to hook up the HDMI cable. It doesn't matter which end of the cable you choose. The best part about HDMI is both sides are the same. Again, this only goes in one way, so pay attention to the direction of the cable. Next, we're going to take the other end of the cable and plug it into the TV. I realized in the middle of this process that I didn't have enough light back there, so I took a picture of the HDMI port on the TV. The last step is to plug in the power cord. Doesn't matter which way you do this one. Then go ahead and plug the other end into a power outlet and you're all set.